The Seat Leon 4, introduced in 2020, shares its platform with the Volkswagen Golf 8. While it offers modern design and technology, it faces several reliability challenges that potential buyers should be aware of. Key engine problems include timing belt failures in 1.0-liter and 1.5-liter TSI petrol engines, which can lead to sudden breakdowns. Diesel models with 2.0-liter TDI engines often experience DPF clogging, requiring costly cleaning or replacement. Transmission problems are common with premature dual-clutch DSG gearbox failures, causing shuddering and requiring expensive replacements. Electrical issues affect the digital cockpit system, with frequent software bugs, screen freezing, and connectivity problems. Android Auto integration flaws further complicate matters. While regular software updates from Seat help with some issues, fundamental design flaws remain. Potential buyers should be aware of these common problems, particularly in models produced before the 2024 refresh. Repair costs for the Leon 4 are generally high due to its VW Group architecture. Expect to pay $500–800 for a timing belt kit and $100–150 per hour for labor in Europe. Transmission repairs can reach $4,000 to $6,000. JD Power data shows average reliability scores, with infotainment systems scoring the lowest. The future outlook is optimistic, with Seat planning to address software issues using AI-driven diagnostics in future models, but combustion engine models may phase out by 2030 in favor of electrified versions. While mechanical failures are decreasing, electronics-related issues are on the rise. Consider these factors when budgeting for potential maintenance and repairs.